Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Employees have to manually cross-check hundreds of invoices against purchase orders to see if the items on the purchase orders match those on the received invoice. Today, I would like to show you how to streamline this whole process of invoice reconciliation, avoiding creating a major bottleneck for internal teams. Let's jump right to it. Once in the Nordoon app, we first need to upload the file with the items from different purchase orders that we will then cross-check with our invoice. Now that that's done, let's build a template. We can choose a pre-built template for invoices that we will now customize to fit our needs. In the first step, we have some general information about our customer. In the second step, we will be checking if quantities and item prices from our invoice match those on the purchase order. That's why we will create a field and connect it to our lookup table. We could only add one lookup match key, but for better results, we'll add two. We can match PO number from step 1 to PO number in lookup table and SKU code from invoice with the SKU code from VLOOKUP table. Now we can first set the quantity field as a text and then create a rule. Where we want our quantities from the invoice to match those in the purchase order. If they don't, we want the AI agent to flag the mismatches, so let's set it to require. Now let's do the same exact thing for the item prices. Just keep in mind that this time we want the lookup value to be price. Now let's create a rule to match prices from the invoice to those in the purchase order. Don't forget to set notify to require like I did here. We want step 3 to be a VLOOKUP step because we will be getting the items from the VLOOKUP table. Now the fun part, we would like a short summary from AI agents. To achieve this, we need to set up the context, but we have to save our template first, so we'll come back to this part. We can give a short guideline to the AI agent of what we want in our explanation. To complete the full circle of this automation, in step 5, we will ask the AI agents to write an email response to our supplier. Under guidelines, we can specify to make sure to mention any inconsistencies. Now let's create our template and go back to steps 4 and 5 and connect them to the second step, invoice information. If we want, we can give some guidelines to AI agents. Now let's upload our invoice and test our template. Wonderful! We can see that AI agents flag the mismatched quantities and item prices. We also got a nice short summary and an email reply. You can set this up so the email is sent automatically to your supplier. All that we had to do was create this template once, and we don't ever have to manually cross-check hundreds of documents. That's all for today. Test it yourself to see how this works. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.